Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Vivek, and today we are going to be talking about how does a bone heal? Well, how does a broken bone heal? Today's video, I'm going to talk about that, okay? So let's say you've been, I don't know, riding on a bicycle or whatever, and you hit very hardly on the ground. You might have your bone fractured. Well, it's mostly called a fractured, okay? That's what scientifically a broken bone is, a fracture, okay? Now, how a fracture heals can depend on many factors, okay? Can depend on which bone, the location of it, the cause of injury, and the type of fracture, such as lowest type being stress fractures, or the highest type being comminuted fractures, when more bones broke, more fractures happened, okay? But how does a bone heal? Well, it mostly goes through the same process, okay? First, what happens is that when sometimes the bone can start to bleed, okay? And when it starts to bleed, it activates the immune system, okay? So they do this thing called homeostasis, okay? So they grab all the red blood cells and create a blood clot, okay? Then after a few days, step 2 happens, called inflammatory, okay? It's when the immune system, okay, goes up to the broken bone and cleans it, okay, killing all the bacteria and germs around it. Then after a week or two, okay, there is the third step, okay, called repair time, whatever, okay? So what this step is basically these chloroplasts, okay, will come. They basically create cartilage. So they'll create this soft callus, okay, that will be in place. That's sort of like a bridge, okay, to keep the two bones connected. After a few more weeks, there will be step 4, okay? And what step 4 does is that these things called, so basically after a few weeks, the soft callus will become a hard callus, okay? Which means now these osteoblasts, what they will do is feed it nutrients and other stuff, okay, to keep it healthy. And eventually it'll turn into bone material. But it could sometimes leave a few bone deformations. So by step 5, these specialized cells called osteoclasts, okay, basically shave and destroy the extra bone, okay, fully healing your bone. Now, how long this takes, again, depends on various factors, okay? But best bet is just listen to your doctor, and then you could immediately go back outside and play, okay? So that's how a bone heals, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye!